you guys can see, we got the old 40C running again. He's 94 years old, so he's pretty happy. We'll go play in the mud again. He's all wet. The hydraulic hose blow when we put the blade on. You guys missed that. I didn't have the camera out yet. But put the new generator on it, and it's all charging up now. Got the new clutches in, brakes. Sounds good. Put a flapper on it. This is where the hay feeder was, so the cows made a big mess out of it. He's just cleaning it up. Doing a good job. Looks nice. Better than it was, that's for sure. At least it's pitched now too, so the water will run off. Well, used her for about 4 hours. It ran really good. Real happy with it. Glad it's back in service, because could definitely use it. Especially down here, pushing up my topsoil pile. Yep, new clutches and brakes are working good. Did an oil change on it. Welded that flapper on like I said before. Oh, disconnect the battery. Cows like it. Checking it all out. Sniffing it and scratching themselves. Yep, exactly. Yep. Also did over here. Came out good. We got a nice topsoil. Good stuff. Alright, on to something else. You guys remember the big black cow I brought to Vermont, Allie. This is her calf, Eliza. She's about a month old now. And Allie, her mother, is now in Canada finally, so everything's good there. Alright, now on to the record. That's what you guys really want to see. What a sweetheart. Wrecker is so cool. First thing you'll notice, it's different. Got the original front end back in it. Well, a original front end back in it, not the original, but 5 lug, 20-inch wheels, the old I-beam style. Look at my my pitman arm. having a little trouble finding one, so if anybody knows where I can get these Pitman arms, a lot of them I've seen, they come from this direction and they go to the I don't know, what do you call this, the steering arm or whatever. But yeah, anyway, I just welded it together for the yard so I can just move it around. But yeah, I got new U-bolts. Now I got the brand new hoses in the cab here. I gotta put this together. What else? Oh, I kind of just bent this step down quick, but I got a new one, so I gotta put it on. As far as the cab goes, I don't think I did anything in here yet. Rear end, you will be happy to know. Got the new U-bolts. Went and had a company bend them up for me, so you're actually right. New universal joint. What else? As far as the record, oh, I was messing with these. Took the dollies off and just stuck them together quick to see how it goes and what condition it's in. It's pretty cool. It was all in the toolbox. But oh, I was also working on these pulleys. They were all seized up. Got that one to move. This one's still a little stiff, but I keep oiling it. Never really did mess with that boom. Let's see. See if it'll do anything. Winch in, winch out. In, winch out. Up. Use a screwdriver. Got some reach. Cool. Don't see any leaks. We can get in some trouble with this thing. Thing runs good. I also got new cables for it. Oh, here's the new brake line. I only had one at Napa, so I gotta order 2 more. That's why I haven't done it yet. As far as the engine goes, I've put a new radiator in it. New radiator I had in stock. I really haven't touched it all. I put a battery in it, but this little engine runs good, real smooth. I didn't even do a tune-up yet, so I know a lot of you were saying swap the engine out of the big block Blazer and put it in this, but I don't know. I'm gonna see how it goes. If it runs, you know, it's got hold on. Let me show you the gear ratio. I mean, that little truck pulled this truck home on the back of the big heavy trailer, so, and that's only got a 350 in it. Let's see. Gear ratio is 6/17. I don't know what, you know, what that is, but I'm sure that's pretty low gear, so I think that 350 will do just fine and probably get about 12 miles to the gallon doing it. I mean, you won't be able to go 60, but I don't like going fast anyways. But this little wrecker I gotta do something with. But yeah, taking the big block out of this and putting it in that, I mean, I'm gonna run that truck, and if I feel like it really needs it, then feels like I really need the big block, then I'll maybe put it in, but there's really no reason for it, I don't think. I've been working a little bit on this, cleaning it up. Yeah. Projects are coming along. I just haven't been videotaping much. I got my dad here from Tennessee. He's helping me wire the building and put 200 amp service in so I can put a lift in. So that's coming. Do have to get, I'm gonna redo these front brakes anyway. So let me shut this up. I have to redo these front brakes, and I'm gonna put a stud on, and I have to get a couple more lug nuts, and I gotta get that pitman arm, but definitely a lot better than that hokey 4-wheel drive bullshit I had under it, because that was never gonna work. At least not without a lot of work, and it wouldn't have been very good afterwards because it's only like a half-ton front end. But I'm glad I found one. I found this one all the way in, I think it was New Bedford, Mass. I can't remember. It was on the other side of Rhode Island from Connecticut, so it was pretty far away. It's about a 2-hour drive, but worth it. I paid $100 for it, or $150 for it, which was, you know, considering it's pretty cheap. Oh, I didn't even tell you guys what I paid for this wrecker. I paid $900 for this truck when I got it, with everything included. So really, I'm you know, $1,500 into it. Not even. I'm about $1,100 into it, and it's pretty cheap. Oh, I swapped this door out for the good primer door. Lines up nice. I did the other side. Did this side, but this door don't line up for shit. It's like got big issues. This door must have been hit at one time. I took this is the one I had on the Blazer, had on the red truck, had, you know, it's been on a dozen trucks, but this door's no good, so I'm gonna be swapping that out with a new one. I might end up just putting the original one I got with the truck back on. I just have to pull these dents out, but we'll see. And I gotta obviously put the nice mirrors on, because these ones are crappy. But yeah. She looks good. Oh, and I gotta put this tire back on the bead. But Yeah, these are pretty cool. I heard these are actually decent ones because you could take a car with a flat tire or a busted rim or something and put them on these, in these pans, and they don't, I like the new ones, squeeze the tires. And if the tires aren't there, it doesn't do anything. It won't lift it up, so. One thing I don't really know, I guess you gotta lift it up and set it on top of it, which is kind of annoying, but versus the newer ones where you pull that lever and it lifts them up. Well, we'll see. I don't really plan on doing any actual towing with this truck, so just my own stuff for now. We'll see. But yeah, tell me what you think about the truck, about Shorty the Wrecker here, how it's coming along. Leave a like if you like the truck. And I got something a little special here at the end of the video. Almost forgot about the S10, and it's semi-recovering from last video's little incident when the wrecker took a bite out of it, but I gotta come along. I went and bought one of those stud guns from Harbor Freight, and I got most of that dent pulled out, and I welded some chain to this, pulled it on a come along, got it pulled back out, and I mean, it's rusting over, so it kind of matches the rest of the truck, but it's definitely a lot better. The door opens and closes nicely now. It is what it is, I guess. Not much you can really do about it. But yeah, that's the update on the S10. All right. Before we end this video, I'm gonna I got a little mail from somebody that watches the channel, or watches my YouTube videos and follows me on Instagram. He sent me this package all the way from Canada. Let's open it up and see what he gave us. Hopefully it's not a bomb. Use the good old duct tape to wrap this thing up. Sweet! Vintage S10 side badges for the fender. Nice. What's this? Glow plugs. These must be for the 6.2. I know we're gonna need those at some point. Yep, I'm pretty sure those are 6.2 glow plugs. That's pretty funny. 8 of them too, I'm sure. Let's see. And it's 6, 7, and then one more in there. 8. Nice. Definitely gonna need those. What else did we get? Oh, sweet. 6.2 hood emblem. I don't have any of these. I don't have any hood emblems on any of my trucks. I'm gonna have to drill a hole, put that on. Oh, nice. What else? Oh, lug nuts. Oh, I needed these. I think these are for the Blazer, for the big block Blazer. Hell yeah. Yeah, that's definitely enough of them too. We'll have to see if those fit. Awesome. That's real cool. I don't have any. I'm gonna have to drill some holes in this. I'm actually using the 6.2 crew to open this up on it, so that's perfect. I'll put those on. Put these back in. Well, thank you, Matt. That's his name, for sending me all these goodies. Definitely used pretty much all of this, so. And for anybody else that wants to send me any mail, I'm going to probably get a P.O. box, so that way you guys can send me stuff. This is my first ever package I got from a fan. I did get some stickers from Square Body Brothers, and that's why you see them on my trucks. But they like the channel too. And yeah, so pretty sweet. Yeah, thank you, buddy, and I appreciate it very much. Let's see if these see if they fit. on. Hell yeah. Awesome. That's good, because I only have two per hub on these, so that's good. Alright. Oh, shit, keep dropping that one. Sweet. Thanks again, Matthew. Those are awesome.